If you're struggling with meal planning, eating healthy but not seeing results, or just confused about calories and macros, stop right now. Because today, I'm breaking down exactly how to build the perfect meal plan for fat loss and muscle gain. Step by step. No guesswork, no fads, just science-backed nutrition that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll know how many calories you need, how to set up your macros, and how to structure your meals for your goals. Let's dive in. Step 1. Calculate your calories. First things first. Before we talk about what to eat, we need to figure out how much to eat. Caloric needs formula 1. For fat loss, multiply your body weight in pounds by 11 to 13. 2. For maintenance, multiply by 14 to 16. 3. For muscle gain, multiply by 17 to 19. For example, if you weigh 180 pounds, your fat loss calories will be around 1,980 to 2,340 kilocalories per day, while muscle gain calories will be 3,060 to 3,420 kilocalories per day. But it's not just about calories. Where those calories come from matters. Step 2. Set your macros. Your macros are your protein, carbs, and fats. Here's how to get them right. First, protein. 1 gram per pound of body weight. Why? Protein fuels muscle growth and recovery. Sources include chicken, fish, tofu, eggs, lentils, and Greek yogurt. Next, fats 20 to 30% of total calories. Why? Fats regulate hormones and keep you full. Sources include avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish. Carbs. The rest of your calories. Why? Carbs fuel training and recovery. Sources include rice, oats, potatoes, fruit, and quinoa. Example for a 2,000 calorie fat loss diet. 1. Protein, 180 grams, which is 720 kilocalories. 2. Fats, 55 grams, or 500 kilocalories. 3. Carbs, around 195 grams, which totals 780 kilocalories. This balance helps you burn fat while keeping your muscle mass high. Step 3. Structure your meals. Now let's put it all together into a meal plan. 3 to 5 meals per day, spaced every 3 to 5 hours. Each meal should have 25 to 40 grams of protein, a fistful of carbs, a thumb-sized serving of healthy fats, and 1 to 2 servings of veggies. Example meal plan for fat loss. For breakfast, scrambled eggs, avocado, and whole grain toast. Lunch includes grilled chicken, quinoa, and roasted veggies. For a snack, have some Greek yogurt, berries, and almonds. Dinner consists of salmon, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Keep it simple, delicious, and sustainable. Bonus tips, training and recovery. Your meal plan won't work without these key habits. Strength train 3 to 5 times per week. Add 2 to 3 cardio sessions for extra fat burn. Prioritize sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night. Hydrate like a champ, at least 3 liters per day. If you're not sleeping and recovering, even the best meal plan won't help. Your dream physique starts in the kitchen. Time to make it happen. Now you have a step-by-step game plan to build the perfect diet for fat loss and muscle gain. If this helped, hit that like button, drop a comment with your biggest struggle, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition tips every week.